Let us give an overview about ITversity Labs. At ITversity, we are trying to provide integrated lab to practice Python in tandem with other key technologies for becoming professional in application or data engineering development process. Our labs is Jupyter-based environment and each user will get his or her own Jupyter Lab server. We'll also provide required datasets for you. Also, there will be pre-created databases which can be leveraged for database programming. Each user will get multiple databases using different technologies. You might get 2 to 3 databases using Postgres, 2 to 3 databases using MySQL, 2 to 3 databases using MongoDB, etc. Depending upon the courses, we will decide what all databases should be provided to you and we will be providing to you. There will be hundreds of tasks and exercises which you will be performing so that you are really comfortable with programming, and also we will be providing support wherever you are stuck. So you will get the holistic learning experience from us. With respect to support, we will not be able to provide support within the Jupyter based environment itself. The support will be either via Slack or some other forums so that our staff can actually help you in troubleshooting and fixing your issues. Also, all the key libraries such as Pandas are pre-installed. Once you sign up for the course, you will be getting access to ITversity Labs via Jupyter based environment. Once you log in into the Jupyter based environment, you will also see the content in it. The content will contain videos, code snippets, everything in one place. You just have to follow those videos and practice. And that is the courses with integrated labs. Let me actually log in into the labs using the Windows here. In this case, I'm going to the browser, which is nothing but Chrome. You can also use Internet Explorer or Firefox or Safari, whatever browser you want to use, but I prefer to use Chrome. Now, this is the link at this time, which I'm using to actually create the content and shoot the videos. In future, the link might change or it might be the same. Just you have to go to the link provided to you. We'll also share the credentials with you. By default, you will be ending up here. It will prompt you for the username and password. You have to enter the username and password which is provided to you. In this case, I am entering the password for ITversity user. Once you log in, it will look like this. Probably when you start, it will just go to the base folder. In the base folder, you will be having ITversity material. In the ITversity material, based upon the courses you signed up, you will be seeing multiple folders here. In this case, if you are talking about mastering Python, these are the folders which you will be seeing. There might be some folders missing or there might be some additional folders depending upon the course you are enrolled for. Now, if you want to learn Pandas with respect to filtering, you can actually go here and go to this projecting and filtering. Let me close the other tabs here and you can see the content here. There will be videos as well. As of now, the videos are being edited. Once they are edited, they will be provided to you as part of the integrated lab environment itself. You can actually clear all the outputs by right clicking on this and then by saying clear all outputs. In this case, you are going to run another notebook from this notebook. It will take care of preparing the datasets for you, such as orders and order items. Now orders and order items are made available to you once you run this. This is the script or notebook which is run by using this magic command called as run. Now I should be able to preview orders dataset, order items dataset. Then I should be able to project only one field from orders, which is nothing but order date. There are 2 ways to do so. These are the 2 ways. And then if you wanted to project multiple fields, this is how you can project multiple fields. Order items of, then double square bracket, and you have to pass the columns which you want to project. In this case, I'm trying to project order item, order ID, and order item subtotal. Then if you want to filter, first you can get the columns by saying order items dot columns like this. It will give you the schema of order items. Then if you want to get all those items with order ID 2, you can actually apply filter like this. It will return true and false series. So this is nothing but a series with the trues and false. You just have to pass it to order items in square brackets like this. Wherever it returns true, only those records will be returned. So only 3 records will be returned as there are only 3 entries with true. You can run this and you should be able to preview. This is how you can actually take care of filtering. This is how the learning experience will be, where the content, video as well as the code snippets will be available as part of the notebooks in a structured format. As of now, the video is not ready yet for this, but there is another course as part of my account, which is nothing but mastering PostgreSQL. If you go to one of the module, let's say writing basic SQL queries, and then go to filtering data, you can see the Python notebook here. You can actually run this HTML code to get the video. So this is how the videos will be provided to you. You might have to run that cell to get the video. Once you get that, you can play, learn the concepts, also go to the material for your reference, and also you should be able to use the Jupyter capabilities to practice with the tasks and exercises that are going to provide to you. So in this case, we can even run SQL queries directly using this environment. You have to sign up for these courses to understand further. However, if you do not want to go with our lab-based integrated experience, still these notebooks will be provided to you once you sign up for our courses either on Udemy or on our Kaizen without labs. You should be able to import these notebooks wherever you want, and you should be able to practice in your preferred environment. But if you want to use IT Varsity Labs, you can use it directly. Everything will be pre-configured for you. You just have to start learning without getting into any hassles with respect to learning Python as programming language. I will also demonstrate how you can leverage Colab up to an extent to use these notebooks and practice. However, if you want to set up your own environment to practice, you can actually set up your own environment. Once we publish the courses on Udemy, you should be able to use your own environment to practice. You don't need to sign up for our labs. Stay tuned for the details related to setting up your own environment and practice using our material provided to you on platforms such as Udemy. Even on our Kaizen platform, we will be providing the courses with labs and without labs. So depending upon your preference, you can sign up and you can go ahead and practice either with our labs or collab with some additional tools, or set up your complete environment and then take it further. The material is already there. If you actually look at my notebooks here, under material, there is setup Jupyter Lab. The Jupyter Lab contain how to provision VM from Ubuntu, set up Postgres database on top of it, validate whether Python is there or not, set up Jupyter on top of it, access it from your browser. Also, I have demonstrated all the information related to setting up your databases. Depending upon the courses you enroll, you should be able to replicate whatever I am providing to you as part of our integrated lab environment on Ubuntu based machine on GCP, and you can leverage that to practice. So stay tuned for our courses and leverage this unique experience and learn Python along with other technologies to become master with respect to application development or data engineering development.